Today, we're diving into a super helpful topic: how to get standby cash from Huntington Bank. If you're looking for a quick boost to your finances, stick around for all the details. Here's how you can tap into that standby cash. First, you need to be a Huntington Bank customer with an eligible checking account. Make sure you set up online banking because that's where the magic happens. Step 1. Log into your Huntington online account or mobile app. Navigate to the Standby Cash option. If you're eligible, you'll see how much standby cash is available to you. Step 2. Review the terms. The great part is it's typically available at a low fee and repayment can be done automatically from your checking account next payday. Step 3. Decide how much you need, up to $1,000 depending on your eligibility, and request the amount. It usually gets deposited into your account the next business day. And that's it. Simple, right? Just remember to use this feature wisely to avoid unnecessary fees.